easy steps to start investing. Investing can be a great way to build your wealth and achieve your financial goals, but it can also be overwhelming for beginners. Are you thinking about investing but not sure where to start? Here are some things you should know before starting to invest. First, you need to set a goal for your investment. Do you want to save for a down payment on a new home? Are you looking to build your wealth, or do you want to prepare for retirement? Knowing your goal will help you choose the right type of investment and set a timeline. Second, what is your risk appetite? All investments come with some degree of risk, so think about how much risk you are comfortable with. Some investments are safe but have lower returns, while others have higher returns but also come with higher risks. Third, find out about your investment options. You should research and compare different investment options to see which one is right for you. Look for information about the company or fund you are considering and see how it has performed in the past. Fourth, it is important to have a diversified portfolio of investments. This means spreading your money across different types of investments, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps reduce your risk. And finally, it is important to consider the amount of money that you want to invest. This will help you select the right investment option, as different investment options have various minimum dollar amounts to start. These minimums are dependent on the type of investment that you are considering. It's important to determine how much money you are comfortable investing and to find an investment option that fits within your budget. Remember, investing is a long-term game, and it is important to start with an amount that you can afford and to regularly add to your investment as your finances allow. Investing can help you reach your financial goals, but it is important to identify your own unique goals, timelines, and risk appetite before jumping in. Once you've considered these factors, speak with a JMMB representative to learn more about our investment solutions and discuss the best option for you. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at JMMB Group, Twitter at JMMB Group JA, or visit our website at jm.jmmb.com.